Flag up in the air. They make their way down the backstretch. Starting to break one and looks them over as they come into turn 3 and 4. Green flag. Jason McAllister here with Small Engine Racing, interviewing Ed and Justin here.
Tristan.
Justin.
It's Tristan.
Oh, Tristan. Okay. Sorry about that. Tristan. He runs a 500 Mini Sprint here at here we're at Bear Ridge today. Ed, how'd you get started in racing? And when did you get started in racing?
Actually, about '69, I did it for a couple of years.
Yeah.
Helping my father-in-law.
Okay.
And then family responsibilities took over, and I took about a 14-year break. Then I got going again.
Yeah.
For 10 years.
What kind of racing were you doing?
Modifieds.
Modifieds.
Wheel
Okay.
cars. I'm an open wheel guy.
Yeah. Dirt track
And, dirt tracks.
Okay.
Yeah. Local area. That I live
Okay.
in.
Yeah.
And then I took another break for 17 years.
Taking a lot of breaks going on.
And it was Tristan, yeah.
Yeah.
And well, I'm not a young guy.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, yeah.
So Tristan entered my life, and we started going to races, and the racing family, being the way they are, they took us in.
Yeah.
And it was like going home to me.
Yeah.
And so we went to races for a few years, and then I bought this little car to figure something we can do together.
Right.
And eventually he can be in the seat,
Yeah.
and I'll be the crew chief.
There you go. Well,
As it is now, he's learning the ropes that way.
Okay. Well, how long have you been racing now with the mid 500s?
Three years.
3 years.
Third
Okay.
year.
So how you been doing?
Great.
Great.
Yeah, I got rookie of the year the first year.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Well, that's good.
And having a ball,
Yeah.
enjoying the company.
Yeah. How'd you do tonight?
Tonight, I slid back a little. Car was loose, but
Oh, yeah.
it was all fun. It was a good race.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Well, okay.
It was good, yeah. I slid back a little, but
Yeah.
not.
So where must you live according to here? Bear Ridge.
From here, it's about hour and a half south.
Hour and a half south. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
What
In the
town you
middle of
say?
New Hampshire.
What town you say?
Franklin.
Franklin, New Hampshire.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So you got a little bit of drive. So the other track is a little bit closer in Rump.
Yes, it's about half. It's
Half
about
distance.
45 minutes. This is about an hour and a half.
Nice. That's much closer to you. All right. Well, that's great. All right. Well, thank you very much for the interview.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. All right, Tristan. So, what do you think about the racing today?
It was good.
Yeah. What do you think about? He's talking about putting you in the seat.
Yeah.
I'd like to do that.
Good.
Yeah, you would. All right. Well, you learned the ropes, right?
Yes.
Learning a lot about it.
Yes.
All right. Very good. All right. Well, nice talking to you. And we'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Your winner, ladies and gentlemen, they come out of turns 3 and 4. Green light 4.
Engine Racing. We're here at the Lenny West Memorial, here at Bear Ridge Speedway with the family of Lenny West. We're going to start here with, this is the wife, Eileen. This is the brother, Eric, and then the daughter, Lauren West. Okay, we're going to start off with the brother here. He's going to talk about Lenny West growing up, and how we started off racing, and you go from there. Go ahead.
Well, me and Lenny was my cousin, and he lived right in the town, right next to us. And as kids, if it had a gasoline motor in it, we tried to make it go faster. And I grew up on a farm, and he'd always come over. We had two old 53 Chevys that we used to take out in my father's pasture, and my father would scream at us for tearing up his pasture, but the cars on the main road used to have to slow down because we made so much dust. The state police came and says, guys, you got to stop doing this. So that's just one story how it got started. But then we moved on. We raced go-karts together. He was basically my best friend, and the best days of my life were with Lenny West. Beyond the racing, I don't want to stretch this out. If it went left and it had gasoline, he loved it. But beyond that, I would like to recognize his service he gave to the U.S. military, and he served our country with honor, and there was nobody any better. And the thing he is most proud of, and I am most proud of, is his family. He would be so tickled to death to meet his grandchildren. His two daughters are the most wonderful people you will ever meet, and we just miss him terribly, and he just went away from us too soon, and I miss him, and his family misses him every day. Thank you very much.
Very good. I don't know, you got to back that one up. Okay, I'm going to come at Eileen here. Yeah, obviously, obviously, how'd you guys meet? And, obviously growing up on the race.
He came to college and I was in the university school. We met in Manchester. And that was it. Yeah, we met in Manchester, and a couple of years later we got married. And I think we weren't even married a year, and he says, don't touch me. I belong to the U.S. Army. What?
Life changed.
Yeah, life changed. He shipped off for a little while, came back. But yeah, he always had this. I've done it racetracks and everything forever. Next thing I know, we bought a place. Next thing I know, this property. Weird. You gotta look at it. Quit going by it. Go. Put a deposit down on it. And we were building the racetrack and my house at the same time. And I think I was expecting by the time we moved in.
You're expecting. There you go.
Yeah.
Three things at once.
Yeah,
Not putting too much pressure on you.
No, it wasn't. So from then on, it was racing Gun Ho, up to Loudon, everywhere. He used to race the go-karts up on, they had a smaller track. We'd go up and they'd brush off, I think, the dirt. Motorcycles used it, and we'd put dirt on, or vice versa, and go-karting began. And then from there on, it went go-karting, four-wheelers, three-wheelers, mini sprints, little sprints. She was old enough, she went into one, and it's like from then on, and then it just got bigger. I gotta have a bigger track, I've gotta have a bigger machine.
Bigger is better, right?
Racing all our lives, about 30 years before we ended up splitting up.
But 30 years of marriage and 30 years of racing.
Yeah, 30 years of racing. Yeah. He loved it. It was his heart and soul.
There you go.
He's a good man, good father.
Yep, that's it. Speaking of father, here's his daughter.
Yes. Hi.
Talk about the Granite State Club and growing up around it.
Sure. So Sugar Hill Speedway was in Ware, New Hampshire, was our family-run go-kart track, which grew. It grew by the year. It was born the same year I was, in 1980. And 1984, so it was initially realize what it would be. That it would be such a club that lasted so long. When he first formed it, they thought about, I'm just racing with my friends, I'm bringing my family together, and we're using motorcycle engines, we're trying to keep it economical and cheap and have some fun. That's what it's about. And that's why the Mini Sprint Club has lasted so long. It's lasted over 30 years because people are still having fun. That's why we're still here. So I didn't know what kind of unusual childhood I had growing up on a racetrack. To me, it was normal. Like,
Yeah, well, that's what you grew up around.
I grew up, so I sat in every race car, I turned every wrench. I was my dad's little garage monkey, If he couldn't reach, I did.
Yeah.
And I was my dad's co-pilot. We went everywhere together. He took us along for the ride, my sister and I, and it was wonderful. So I'm really thankful for the Mini Sprint Racing Group to honor him and for us to be here today, because he was a founding father, and it is Father's Day weekend. So for me, this is the weekend where I get my dad back. So it's a little messy, but here we are, and I'm so glad that this group has just continued to grow, and people are still having fun and doing it. Yeah, keeping it alive. So here we are. Yeah.
Thank you so much to the Granite State Mini Sprint Association for recognizing Lenny. He deserved it.
Noise up. Break one and most of the field over, taking them out of turn 3 and 4.
thank my mom and dad, my uncle for giving me a truck to be able to come up to the races. I'd like to thank Ron's ATV for helping me build my motor, and just everybody else that's helped give me a lending hand, some sponsors that I've had, and just everybody that pitches in time to get the car ready to go for the track. And Bradford Mini Mart.
Thank you. Third place finisher. Here you come. Second place, car number 6. The driver is, I gotta find out. Ken Strasburg. Ken, second place, and that's all that. Everybody to thank.
Yeah, I gotta thank Sugar Bush Ski Resort, my sponsor, and I was dedicating this race when my grandfather died last week. Tried to get first for him, but he'll take second.
You'll be glad to have it too. All right, and don't forget Bradford Mini Mart too tonight.
Yes, things about with Mini Mart, our sponsor.
All right, your second place finisher. In car 60, your feature winner here tonight, Pittman. Kyle, nice run. Started right out, never look back, hit your marks, and anybody got thanked?
Thanking Jiffy Mart for sponsoring the night. Thanking everybody that has helped me with putting together this car. Thank you to the whole Granite State Club for being there and helping us when we have bad times. And a big thank you to my family and my dad for helping me out with this all these years.
All right, your feature winner, Pittman, in car number 60. Okay, you guys are going to go over to the Victoria over there, right? All three of you, come on.
Lenny West Memorial, Bear Ridge Speedway, first place, Kyle Pittman. Congratulations. There you go. Speedway, Lenny West Memorial, second place, 500 cc's. Ken Stryberg. Congratulations, Ken. Pick up your trophy.
Thank you.
Lenny West Memorial at Bear Ridge Speedway, third place in the 500s, William Pinkman. Congratulations.
Thank you.
There's your trophy.
Thank you.
Come out of turn 3-4. Over. Take the winner. Rounding out the field is car number 9, that's Kyle Pittman. Greg Wyman.
girls. It's going to be worth for the winner $300. $300. What a run here tonight for the Granite State Mini Sprint.
All right, get setting up, get the picture taken here. Want to cook with the driver? Driver is. All right, your third place finisher, 7 Drew Average. Second. We get to right second. Yes, we do. Okay. Well, it's up the middle. Anyway, great second place. What do you gonna think?
Thank my girlfriend, and that's about it. I got no sponsors. It's just being here during the week. I work about 60 hours and maybe get 10 minutes to work on the car.
Well, it was a good spend 10 minutes, but also thank you, Dr. Beamont, once again tonight. That'd be good too.
Yes, thank you to them, and yeah, not bad for being blind. I got dirt in my eyes, can't see a damn thing.
You did well. Great finish. Good Aldridge. And next, the driver is?
John Mills.
John Mills. Great finishing here, ladies and car. Anybody good thing?
Yeah, well, first I got to thank Bear Ridge. It's an awesome track, and fans for coming out and watching us. Allows us to do it. You know, there's something for dogs, homeless dogs. I forgot the rest of them. I'm supposed to say, but the crew and everybody else. Wonderful night, great track. Thank you very much. Bradford Mini Mart. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, the air drivers, wow. All right, Jack Herbert, you beat your winner for car 14. I'll get you that up. Hey, didn't you?
Yeah, it was definitely a line track. You got to hit your mark. I almost looked at it over there a couple times, but it's fast.
Anybody you think?
What's that? What you could think? Oh yeah, I want to thank tonight's sponsors. Bradford Mini Mart, that's right. Sorry, a little shaky here. Yeah, I just want to thank Rick Paula, the car owner. Called me up 2 weeks ago, asked me if I want to get back in the mini sprints, and I said sure. Took a third last week and had my doubts tonight, but I'm glad it pulled off.
All right, you put your winner here tonight. Back up to you, John. Bring your trophies. I'm going to have 3 of you get put.
600 feature winner, Zach Ebert. I'm sorry. See the trophy girl.
See the trophy girl? Congratulations. I'll do it.
Lenny West Memorial, Bear Ridge Speedway, second place 600 division. Drew Eldridge. Thank you. Thank you. See the trophy girl.
There you go. Nice job. Thank you. Good work.
Lenny West Memorial, Bear Ridge Speedway. John Miles. Congratulations, John.
Thank
See
you.
the trophy girl.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wonderful night. I love this club. Thank everyone for being out here.
Jason McAllister here at Bear Ridge Speedway with the Lenny West Memorial Race. I'm here with first, second, third place with the 600s. Okay, we're going to start with the third place guy. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
John Mills.
John Mills, how's the track out there?
The track was a little slick and had a couple good holes in it. But, sorry. But, awesome as always. I mean, I love Bear Ridge.
Yeah, a little spin out there in the middle of the race.
Yeah, that was the driver. Wasn't the track.
Obviously,
yeah, I was
faster
driving a
after
little
it.
bit over my head trying to catch somebody.
Yeah.
And just walked the line a little too far. And it's nice. My car's got some stuff in I can crank on. So when I spun out, I dialed everything. And it was a little bit better. So it allowed me to come back up through the field a little bit.
And obviously, you got third place.
Yep.
Very
Lucky,
good.
everybody gave me racing room. It's a really great club, a bunch of really great guys. I mean, I love running with these guys. So.
Oh, very good. Okay, we're going to come up to the second place guy. We've seen you before. Last time we were here. All right, so what did you think about the track? How'd your race go? Let's put it that way.
It was hard. It was work. I mean, the heat race wasn't too good. I ended up changing all 4 shocks for the feature. And I didn't think I was actually going to finish that race because of having a problem with the fuel injection. Ended up clearing out. It took off. I tried to find the cushion on the top. There wasn't one of those. I slipped off, thought I was going for a ride to the woods, but drifted that over the top and came back onto the track. I was surprised nobody had gotten past me, and at that point I was trying to reel in Zach, and he was running good. So
a little too far away.
Yeah, a little far away. I was like, if I could just hold it here and not let anybody pass me, what about it?
Well, it came across for a second, so that's good. It kept on the track.
Yep.
No crashing. It didn't spin out like, in third place guy.
Yep.
So, I mean, you did a very good job. Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, first place guy. All right, Zach.
Yeah.
You went up a couple places on this one.
I did. I went forward instead of going backwards.
Very good.
It went really good.
Really good. Yeah, you can't complain about a first.
Not at all.
Tough to complain about it.
Not at all. It was a good night. I'm glad to have the Lenny West Memorial and the family here and put on a good show for us. The track, yeah, it was good. There's a couple of holes, but you had to pick a line and stick with the line.
There's no race around.
You got to try to race around them. Everybody races clean, and that's what it was all about a while ago, and that's what it's still all about. That's really.
Oh, I got a double.
Yep, I gotta win. I gotta stick it. I gotta show up for the next race. Hopefully, I still get a red.
There you go. All right, that takes care of the 600 here.
Thank the O'Reillys.
Okay.
I wanted to thank the O'Reillys, Auto Parts, for sponsoring the club.
Okay, well, that takes care of the 600 to Bear Ridge.
Okay, Lenny West Memorial, the West family. Thank you very much for all your support for over the years. This is from the Granite State Mini Sprint. Okay, thank you guys.
Wonderful. Thank you guys. Thank you for having us. Excellent footage.
Yeah. What'd you think? You got your own trophy? All right, I got one more award. I was down in Pennsylvania this week, and RTS has set up the Hard Luck Award. Tonight's Hard Luck Award is going to go to Chris Garby. Chris, you around here? What? Here, you. It's a Hard Luck Award tonight. Thank you. All right?
Okay, Jason McAllister here at Bear Ridge. We're here with the Pittman family. We're going to talk about the family of racing. Okay, first we got the racer. Obviously, he likes it, right? You like racing. You're not real talkative. No, didn't think so. You like, obviously, you're running both classes, the 5s and 6s. How long have you been at it?
The 600 I've been at it for this year, and 500 for about 4 years.
Okay, well that's good. So the 500 you kind of get down.
Yeah, 500 we're kind of, that one's getting figured out.
That one out?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to come over here to your dad. How'd you get into racing, or how did you get into racing?
I started when I was 19 down in Lee and Star on asphalt, helping a guy, and we come up here and just wanted something for the boys to do. So
how'd you hear about Granite State?
Actually, we helped a guy that was in the club, and he helped us get a car together and get the boys in the club.
Okay, there you go. Now we're going to talk to the missus, the one with the paycheck. I'm sure she loves racing. So what are you going to say about this racing thing?
I like it that the guys can do stuff together and work on different vehicles and stuff. The club is really great. It's family oriented.
So you keep them out of the kitchen by keeping them in the garage?
Sure.
You don't need the help?
They still do grilling though. That's
okay, all right. So you don't need the help in the kitchen. You want to keep them out? All right, well, we got younger brother here. I can tell he's younger because he's shorter. What's your name? What? Colt. So how you like this racing thing?
Well, I like it.
You want to beat him? You want to get your own car? How old are you? 14. Hey! Yeah, 14. You drive one of these things.
Working on them.
Working on it? All right, well, you're saving some money. You'll be in it in no time at all. Well, you do see, he's got 2 notes. Going, all right? All right, finishing off the night, and we're going to enjoy the night. Oh, I got one more question. Where you guys from?
We're in Vermont.
How long from here? How far from here?
About 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. So you like this track?
We do.
Obviously, you like this track. Closest one to home. 10 minutes. You can leave almost when it starts racing. All right, well, we're going to finish the night off here at Bear Ridge with the Pittman family. Thank you very much. Bye.